Good morning from day 2 at High Point State Park. We are still here at the Sawmill Campsite, and today's video is all about all the sites in this campsite. So it has 50 sites. I'll show you all the sites, not in detail but in general. So because this video is gonna be long, I made it into 2 parts. So this video is the first part of our day 2 camping at High Point State Park. Alright, let's enjoy the video. Good morning. Good morning. The morning is so cool here. Still fishing. Today is the second day we are here. So it turns out there was no bear last night visiting us, which is good, and hopefully tonight there will be no visitor also. We park our car here. So this is our side and we park our car. So this is the view of our camping site from here, from the road. So this is the road, only one way, car coming from that side. Here, one way only. There is no site on this side, no campsite. It's totally only this one. Ours is the first one. We booked this campsite because we thought it's open there to the water, so it's nice for us to fish and see the water and stuff. Others there just like bushes. I will go through it all by walking with this too. The view is so beautiful here. In real, it's even more beautiful. So green, so clean. The air so fresh. So around here there is no house at all. Completely forest. If we see from Google, from the top, it's completely forest. So that's the lake. You can still see. This is like going up. This is gonna be the campsite number 2. They park also at this side. They're also steep, and this you see nobody or what? Or they come home. This is site number 3. It's also so steep like this. Ooh, even steeper than the first and the second one. And it's so close, like you're going to someone else private. Yeah, private side, and also it's so long inside. Yeah, cannot see at all. This is the parking for them. It's a little bit bigger, the parking lot for number 3. This is number 29. Yeah, this number 29. They have deck, and they have that what is it called? That lantern hanger thing.
Oh, yeah.
I don't know what is that.
Also there, it's somewhat flatter. The side is somewhat flatter.
The deck, that one, big one, is not for the bears, not to climb it and not to come inside.
This is fun.
This number 30. Oh, that one is for 30, I think. Or this, right? See, coming up like this. The back side one. 29 is the front side.
Yeah.
The back side. This is 30, but it's the deck. I think. Hello.
Come.
The road is going down, Aditi. And you run, you will fall.
No.
This is spot Number 4.
You know, I used to
Where? Oh, there inside. Coming like this. This the pole for number 4. We missed it a little bit. And this is the parking here. This number 31.
When you come back.
Nobody, I think. And the site is that much only. And it has deck. So it has deck.
Here we go.
Give Aditi. Say what? Say what? Kakak give you? Thank you, Kakak. You're the best. Yeah, this is campsite number 5. Come. Come. Come.
This is better. 6.
They have all the land. Mango, canopy.
This is the bathroom.
This is the bathroom.
Not bathroom actually.
I mean, not bathroom, just restroom. Like.
So this is the restroom. Everywhere they will put this bear. The restroom is so small. Here, only 2 doors. And this is the potty. When you flush, you need to step on it. This one. That's it. There is no sink to wash hands or something like that. This is woman's side. This is the water for us to wash hands. Do. Huh? Good brush. Done. Aditi, wash face.
Wake me up with the
My
cool
God,
water.
oh chocolate only see. That's why when I was sitting behind her, why it smell like chocolate? I brushed her teeth last night.
Daddy, Cassie.
Nice. Wash nice. Let's go. That's police car. Come. This is campsite number 7. Exactly in front of. She's afraid she will fall.
That's the short of it. I want to go back to my seat.
This 7.
Yeah, this is
7.
8.
8. These are so close here, right?
Yeah.
Somewhat like party weather. This is 9.
It's quite big, I think, inside now. Also flat.
Yeah.
This is 33, 34, 10, 11.
Oh, they have parking here like this. 10, 11, 12,
13.
10. This is 33. This is 14. They all have here.
Yeah, from 10 to 14, the parking
Parking
is this
is
side.
here. Yeah.
The campsite is in there. It is 33
3.
inside there.
Where are the other ones?
Here inside.
No, the 12, 13.
Yeah, 10 until
How do
14.
they need to go?
One way maybe inside 4.
Like that only?
Yeah,
Okay.
one way but 4 sides like.
34 and
16.
16. This 34 has walking deck and water stream there. 16.
So in front of 16 they have this water.
Oh, water pump they have here in front of 16.
17 front.
Bridge and it's empty. It's empty now. This is 36.
So deep there.
Oh, it's very far inside there. To go far inside there. 36 feet.
That's 30.
It's over there, deep in there.
Blue one.
Okay, this is site 38.
39, 38.
18,
Parking here.
18.
This side,
This one is 18, 38, 39. And there's the campsite.
No, 37
Oh, there's 57 too. The streams make the lake. I thought that was a watermelon slice.
This is 40. This one, it's deep in there.
Nobody, I think.
This is parking for them here. This is 41.
Another restroom in front of 41.
41 has restroom and water in front.
Mostly people taking from 11 to 13. Here 12 to 14.
Like that. Makes a sound. Yeah. Put down on it. Oh, yeah. Come.
So I still land like this. Oh, I like it when it goes down.
No campsites in this side.
Yeah. Oh no, no, no.
No, just the road closed. Going here.
The campsite
Yeah,
is
the
now
other
our
side.
home.
You know, we are the other side of our tent.
Like here. You're like literally the lake. Like you're literally
This
so
side is like
you can literally go inside the water. Like
Yeah.
the lake is so close
you
to us.
can walk.
Like, here.
Lot of bushes.
What is this?
It's okay. It's kind of powerhouse may become.
Like under
Here another water pump.
another
A lot
water.
of water pumps and all in this area. This is 19.
What is this like that for?
Hmm?
What is this slot for?
This is 42. No one is there. It's so deep in there.
Yeah, it's even deeper.
It's deep in there. Don't even see. This is
I have
20.
to take the car there.
20 parking. This is 20. This is also deep in there. Near the water.
No, it's not the
To walk a long way.
for that.
43 and 21. This 21 deck has deck. This is 43 and
So 44 and 22.
44 and 22. Yeah. This is 45. 45. I don't know who will put in there, but it's 44 deep in there. This is 46. 23. It's in there deep.
Not so
No,
deep.
not so deep. It's just
But
here.
no one.
It's wide open.
India, wait.
India, wait.
I can see you.
It's deep inside. You have to go there. I don't know where you have to go.
Barefoot?
Hmm.
Means?
Like, see the paper 26. Wide open, nice.
Oh, yeah.
27.
Give her the giant one. Mine looks more like a baby. Look, mommy.
47 deep in there. 47.
Got pollen on my face.
It's 47 there. Garbage is here. 48.
One way.
This is 48.
One way. Can't eat it.
Where is it? It's going where? It's somewhere deep in there again. You have to go. Somewhere there. Cannot see. This is in front of this have garbage dumps. It's nice. Oh, see, this is 49. 49. 50. 50.
Yes, having pollen everything.
50 is wide open, nice, has deck. This is for 28. It also has deck, nice, wide open. That's the end of campsites in this sawmill. 50 campsites are there. So this here you cannot enter. This is one way. You have to go all the way around again if you want to go back.
That's so cool.
Mhm.
Yeah, fresh air, but it's very cold.
So nice air in the morning. Fresh air.
The sun is there. See the fruit falling down.
Fruits are falling from the trees. Okay.
What fruit?
This thing.
They could be very painful if they fall on our head or our body.
What is it called? This fruit is non-edible. From this, but I wanna walk through that. So there's what is there in the water?
What?
Where the water movement like something. See mushroom. This yellow mushroom.
Okay, beautiful.
The sun coming through.
Oh, see the hills up there.
Oh, there. So
Anin, come
beautiful.
on in. See there, Anin. There.
So
See up
beautiful.
there, that hill has clouds.
Oh, wow.
So we can go through this bridge, or we can go through that if you get some more bravery. Look at the daisies, so beautiful. A lot of bees. Their sound so loud. This the stream. Look at that blue flower. So beautiful blue flowers. Alright, part 1 of our look around the Sawmill Campsites here at High Point State Park. Hopefully that gave you a good feel for the layout and what to expect when you first arrive. In part 2, I'll show you some attractions around the area, like swimming at Lake Marcia and our visit to High Point Monument.
This is campsite 1, which has a lake
This is our campsite.
in front.
So So if you're curious what else this park has to offer, don't miss the part 2. Make sure to stay tuned. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching. See you in part 2 video of our camping at Sawmill Campsite here at High Point State Park, New Jersey.
Bye. Bye. Make sure to subscribe. Bye bye.